we will discuss link reaction and Krebs cycle. In last session, we discussed glycolysis. In glycolysis, we discussed that a 6-carbon this is 6-carbon sugar is finally broken down to 2 molecules of 3-carbon pyruvate. During this step, two molecules of ATP and 2 molecules of NADH2 are made. So this is glycolysis. Glycolysis means breakdown of glucose to 2 molecules of pyruvate in the cytoplasm. This also produces 2 ATP and 2 NADH. So this process, is taking place in cytoplasm. Now, if oxygen is available, this pyruvate enters mitochondrial matrix. This is mitochondrial matrix. In the mitochondrial matrix, this pyruvate is decarboxylated and dehydrogenated. We need to know what does decarboxylation mean. Decarboxylation means decarboxylation. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide, and dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen. Removal of hydrogen. So here you see pyruvate is decarboxylated and dehydrogenated. Decarboxylated means a carbon dioxide is removed out of it, and dehydrogenated means a hydrogen is removed out of it. Okay. So we already know pyruvate is a 3-carbon molecule. So this is a 3-carbon molecule. If 1 carbon dioxide is removed from this 3-carbon pyruvate, so a 2-carbon molecule will be produced. 1 carbon will be lost here. So this is 2-carbon molecule. Okay, so 1 carbon is lost here. So this molecule, 2-carbon molecule, formed after decarboxylation of pyruvate is known as acetyl. A coenzyme is involved in this reaction, which is known as coenzyme A. So that is attaches with it and makes acetyl coenzyme A. As there are 2 molecules of pyruvate, so 2 molecules of coenzyme A are involved, 2 carbon dioxide are lost, and instead of 2 hydrogen, there are 4 hydrogen removed. This hydrogen reduces NAD to NADH or NADH2. So 2 molecules of NAD are used and 2 molecules of NADH2 are produced. Similarly, 2 molecules of 2-acetyl coenzyme are also produced. So this reaction is known as link reaction. This is called link reaction. This is taking place in the mitochondrial matrix. Now, in the mitochondrial matrix, this 2-carbon acetyl coenzyme A, it reacts with a 4-carbon oxaloacetate. This 4-carbon oxaloacetate and this 2-carbon acetyl coenzyme A, they react together and they make a 6-carbon molecule. The 6-carbon molecule has, 4-carbon from oxaloacetate and 2-carbon from acetyl coenzyme A. So this is a 6-carbon molecule. The 6-carbon molecule is known as citrate. A citrate changes into an isomer, which is known as an isocitrate, which is again a 6-carbon molecule. Okay. Isocitrate then undergoes decarboxylation and dehydrogenation again. तो इसमें decarboxylation होगी and dehydrogenation takes place. Decarboxylation and dehydrogenation. So decarboxylation means a carbon dioxide is removed and dehydrogenation means 2 hydrogen are removed, which actually reduce an NAD to NADH2. When this 6-carbon isocitrate is decarboxylated, 1 carbon dioxide is lost. So if this carbon dioxide is lost, a 5-carbon molecule is left behind. So this 5-carbon molecule is known as alpha keto glutarate. This alpha keto glutarate again undergoes decarboxylation, and dehydrogenation. So as a result, another carbon dioxide is lost here, and similarly, another NADH2 is produced here, or NAD is reduced here. And a 4-carbon molecule is left behind. This is known as succinate.
सर इधर भी डिहाइड्रोजनेशन होती है
जी, इधर भी डिहाइड्रोजनेशन हुई, इसलिए ये जो हाइड्रोजन रिमूव हुई थी, इट इज यूज्ड टू मेक NADH2.
ओके,
ठीक है. सो ये 4-carbon सक्सिनेट बनेगा. नाउ दिस 4-carbon सक्सिनेट is used to regenerate this 4-carbon oxaloacetate. It undergoes rearrangement steps. First, this succinate is converted into fumarate, a 4-carbon molecule. Then fumarate is converted into malate, which is also a 4-carbon molecule. And this malate is then converted into oxaloacetate, which is again 4-carbon molecule. During this step, another ATP is formed. During this step, another coenzyme, FAD, is reduced to FADH, and here another coenzyme NAD is reduced to NADH2. So this cycle is known as Krebs cycle. You know, there were two molecules of acetyl coenzyme A in the beginning. So this cycle runs twice for a glucose molecule. As this cycle runs twice, so everything will double in this reaction. Like citrate 2 molecules, isocitrate 2 molecules, 2 NADH2 produced, okay, 2 carbon dioxide produced, and 2 here isocitrate, 2 alpha ketoglutarate, then 2 carbon dioxide here, then 2 NADH2 here, then 2 succinate, similarly 2 fumarate, and 2 ATP. So everything will double. See, everything doubles here. So this will have 2, this will have 2. So this also has 2, this also has 2. So every product and a reactant in Krebs cycle doubles. Why? Because there were 2 acetyl coenzyme A molecules produced from 2 pyruvate molecules, which in turn were produced from 1 glucose molecule. So if we talk about this Krebs cycle for 1 glucose molecule, it runs twice. Okay. So if I just review that, acetyl coenzyme A, a 2 carbon molecule, it reacts with 4 carbon oxaloacetate and makes a 6 carbon citrate. A 6 carbon citrate is converted into an isocitrate, which then undergoes decarboxylation and dehydrogenation, producing a 5 carbon molecule, alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha ketoglutarate is again decarboxylated and dehydrogenated, producing a 4 carbon succinate. Then succinate undergoes rearrangement to produce oxaloacetate again, and during this step 2 ATP, 2 FADH and 2 NADH2 are made. So if we look at the yield, net yield during glycolysis, link reaction and Krebs cycle. So if this is glycolysis, this is link reaction, and this is Krebs cycle. So you should know how many NADH2 are made during each stage, how many FADH are made during each stage, how many carbon dioxide are produced during each stage, and how many ATP are produced during each stage. So how many NADH2 are made during glycolysis? Do you remember?
Sir, 4.
During glycolysis, there are 2 NADH2 made.
So ये एक साइकिल के लिए कि
Glycolysis में oxidation by dehydrogenation में when 1 GAP glyceraldehyde phosphate is converted into pyruvate, so one NADH2 is made. See, this is one NADH2 here and one NADH2 here. So there are two NADH2 made during glycolysis. And as I said earlier, here, when we distribute glycolysis, we talked about two NADH2 being made during this step. Got that? So there are two NADH2 made during glycolysis. There are two NADH2 made during link reaction. There are 6 NADH2 made during Krebs cycle. FADH2, 0 during glycolysis, 0 during link reaction, and 2 during Krebs cycle. Carbon dioxide, 0 during glycolysis, 2 during link reaction, and 4 during Krebs cycle. ATP, 2 during glycolysis, 0 during link reaction, and 2 during Krebs cycle. Got that?
सर ये फर्स्ट साइकिल में ऑक्सैलो एसिटिलेट किधर से आता है?
Sorry?
सर वो साइकिल आपने जो भी ड्रॉ किया है उस पे जाएं. सर उधर वो जो ऑक्सैलो एसिटेट जो आपने लिखा हुआ है एसिटाइलेट सर वो फर्स्ट साइकिल में किधर से आता है?
What does it mean first cycle में? First cycle कब होता है?
सर आपने कहा था ना कि साइकिल रिपीट्स ट्वाइस फॉर ईच ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल.
हाँ, तो ये साइकिल तो कंटिन्यूअसली चलता रहता है ना.
ठीक है.
और लाइफ तो कंटिन्यूअस है ना थ्रू आउट.
तो वो बनता रहेगा. ठीक है सर.
A mother produces an egg in which respiration is taking place in the cytoplasm. So it has oxaloacetate there. Okay. So when that egg is fertilized by a sperm, that makes a zygote. So oxaloacetate is there. Then the cell divides by mitosis. It keeps on dividing and producing more and more cells, and then differentiates into, an organism. So you see, it is not that Krebs cycle that stops at some stage and then it has started producing the first oxaloacetate. So as it is a cyclic in its nature and life is continuous, so it is, the first molecule is passed from parents to, the offsprings in their gametes or in their cells. Then it can be synthesized during this process as I have described earlier.
Okay, sir.
Succinate can be changed into oxaloacetate. Anything else?
सर यहाँ पर आपने जैसे कि लिंक रिएक्शन की बात की है. सर व्हाट एग्जैक्टली, मतलब जैसे कि आपने यहाँ पर डायग्राम बनाया हुआ है क्रेब्स साइकिल का, तो सर लिंक रिएक्शन एग्जैक्टली क्या है, मतलब किधर है?
ये लिंक रिएक्शन, ये क्रेब्स साइकिल है और ये जो है ये लिंक रिएक्शन.
Okay, sir.
And this is glycolysis. So link reaction is in between glycolysis and Krebs cycle.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Anything else?
नहीं sir, continue.
Okay. So if we look at